Hi Skin Games. My name is Kisha Hamilton. I'm a licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 6 of our new esthetician category with Valen. Week 6 is about highlighting 3 key components that will help us achieve results in Valen's case study, both in the treatment room and at home. Each of these were chosen intentionally to support healing, reduce acne activity, and protect the skin barrier. The first component is recombinant growth factors infused with DNA Repair Enzymes from ProCell Therapies. These growth factors signal fibroblasts to produce collagen and elastin, which is essential for repairing atrophic scarring. The DNA Repair Enzymes help to correct oxidative and UV-induced DNA damage, allowing the skin to heal more efficiently and recover for less inflammation, especially important for skin that was previously treated with Accutane. The second key component is a level 1 TCA peel from Face Reality. This peel is formulated at a low percentage and controlled pH, making it effective yet appropriate for compromised acne-prone skin. It promotes gentle cellular turnover, softens congestion within the pores, and improves texture without overstimulating the skin or increasing the risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The third key component is Squalane, which was incorporated into Valen's home care routine to promote healing and hydration. Squalane is a lipid that closely mimics the skin's natural oil, making it ideal for barrier repair. It helps to reduce transepidermal water loss, improve moisture retention, and support the skin's ability to heal between treatments. Including Squalane at home allows the skin to stay balanced, resilient, and better prepared for in-office treatments. Together, these 3 components, in-office growth factors and peels, paired with barrier-supportive home care like Squalane, work synergistically to improve acne, support collagen production, and strengthen the skin barrier. This balanced approach is what allows us to achieve visible results without further compromising the skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Toodaloo.